Hi everyone, welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you how to get rid of icon shadows on the iPhone and bring back that clean home screen look. Now let's get started. Method 1. Turn off display visual options. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where you'll find all the tools to customize your device. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. This menu lets you adjust how things appear on your screen for better visibility. Step 3. Tap on Display and Text Size. It contains visual settings that can change the way your icons and text look. Step 4. Turn off all the toggles in this section. Those options can create extra effects like shadows behind icons, so disabling them help clear the background. Method 2. Reset iPhone settings. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. This time, we'll make a deeper change. Step 2. Tap on General. It holds the system level options including reset tools. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. This section lets you reset your device settings without deleting your personal data. Step 4. Tap on Reset and follow the instructions to reset all settings. This will restore default visual settings, which may remove unwanted icon shadows. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more simple and useful iPhone tips.